Hello all of you. We are doing logarithms which is there in the first chapter of your 10th class, real numbers. Okay, so in exercise 1.5, the fourth question is expand the following. So we have to write the expanded form of the given log forms. So now the first bit which you have is log 1000, log 1000. So write the factors of 1000. So if you start with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 5 zeros are. Then 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are. 5 8s are 40. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So you can write it as log 1000 can written as 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube, into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. So I can write 1000 as 5 cube into 2 cube. So now applying the formula, you can write it as log 5 cube plus log 2 cube. What is the formula which I am using here? That is log AB. Log A plus B is equal to log AB. That is the formula I am using. That is, if I have log x, y, I can write it as log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. This is the formula which I am using. Log xy form, so log x plus log y. Now again, you have a formula. What is log x power m? Log x power m, I can write it as m log x. So I have power here. So if I want to remove this power, it comes to the left side of this log. It becomes 3 log 5 plus 3 log 2. So we are writing log 1000 in expanded form as log 5 plus 3 log 2. Similarly, the second bit. The second bit which you have is log 128 by 625. So now write the factors of 128. What are the factors of 128? 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write it as log 2 power 7 by, how I can write 625? So 625, if you write it, you will get it as 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s is 25. So I can write it as 5 power 4. So log 2 power 7 by 5 power 4. Now you can write this as log 2 power 7 minus log 5 power 4. What is the formula which I am using? Log A by B or x by y. You can write it as log A minus log B. This is the formula which I am using. So now apply this formula again. This is the formula which we have. Log x power m. Whenever you have power, if I remove the power, it becomes 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. So in this way, we can write the expanded form of log 125 by 6, log 128 by 625. Okay, now let us do the third bit. So the third bit is, I can write here I think. The third bit is log x square y cube z power 4. Again apply this formula. If it is 2 log x into y, I'll get log x plus log y. Suppose if I have log xyz, I can write it as log x plus log y plus log z. So applying the formula, I'll get log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. Okay, now again apply this formula. Log x power m, you have in the form of power. So you can write it as 2 log x plus this 3 comes here, 3 log y plus 4 log z. Okay, so in this way we can expand. This is the third one. This is the second one. The first one is still here. Now next let us do the fourth bit. So the fourth bit is log p square q cube by r. Again this is in the form of log a by b. I have to write it as log a minus log b. So I can write it as log p square q cube minus log r. So this p square q cube, again I have to apply log xy formula, log x plus log y. So I have to write it as log p square plus log q cube minus this log r as it is. Now again apply this formula, log x power m. I can write m log x. So that is 2 log p plus 3 log q minus log r. We'll have is equal to signs here. Okay, whenever you're having power, I will bring it to the left side of log. So in this way, we will write the expanded form of log p square q cube by r. Then the fifth one, the last one which you have is, the fifth one is log root of x cube by y square. So you can write it as log x cube by y square. Here you have square root, that is x cube by y square whole power 1 by 2. So you can write this as log, so you can write this as one below the other because I don't have place here, I am writing to the right side. This comes down. Then log x cube power 1 by 2 by y square power 1 by 2. I am applying power separately to this, both separately, to both numerator and denominator. So this one can be written as log x power 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 by y power 2 gets cancelled, y power 1. Okay, so this is equal to, again this is in the form of log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. So I'll get it as log x power 3 by 2 minus log y. So again here this is in the form of log x power m. So it can be written as 3 by 2 log x minus log y. So this is the expanded form of log square root of x cube minus y square. So in this way we can write the expanded forms. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.